Week 2, Episode 5. You walk in the coffee shop and the barista already knows what you want. Today you'll learn the short, relaxed phrases that regulars use to sound like locals. I'm going to tell you a story of an interaction. Don't worry about the text yet, just listen to the story. Then I'll teach you the useful lines from the story so you can use them. And finally, you'll practice speaking them with me. Here's our story. I walk into the cafe and wave. It's the end of the week and they know me by now. Morning, the barista calls out. Small latte again? Yeah, please. She laughs. You always this early? Pretty much. I need the fuel. She prepares the cup without asking any more questions. Here you go. Perfect, thanks. To go today. Got it. I tap my phone to pay and casually say, all good, thanks. Have a good one. You too. See you tomorrow. When you become a regular, the language gets shorter. If they ask, small latte again, you don't need a full sentence. Yeah, please. That's perfect. It's casual and friendly. If you want to switch it up, you can say, you guessed it, or same as usual, thanks. Both these options sound light, kind, and relaxed. Also, did you notice the casual payment confirmation? All good, thanks. It works for strangers and friends alike. When you leave, use a phrase that implies that you're going to come back. See you tomorrow or see you next week builds a connection. It changes the interaction from just a transaction to a relationship, and it keeps your tone light and easy. Now, let's read the dialogue lines from the story so you can already start using it on a regular basis. Morning. Small latte again? Yeah, please. You always this early? Pretty much. I need the fuel. Here you go. Perfect, thanks. To go today. Got it. All good, thanks. Have a good one. You too. See you tomorrow. To really own these phrases, join me on Patreon. These aren't just files. They are daily, natural learning drills that are designed to replace your old habits with natural reflexes. Choose the tier that you want, and you can start practicing. Links are in the description. Now let's practice speaking. Say the lines with me. Morning. Small latte again? Yeah, please. You always this early? Pretty much. I need the fuel. Here you go. Perfect, thanks. To go today. Got it. All good, thanks. Have a good one. You too. See you tomorrow. We have finished week 2. That's a huge win. Keep practicing, keep shadowing, and I'll see you in week 3.